Welcome back everyone. Today we're making vegan butter chicken using tofu. But wait, if you don't like tofu, you could also use chickpeas, cauliflower or seitan.
Here are the results from the poll. Vegan butter chicken was the winning option. Thanks everyone for voting. We'll start by preparing our firm tofu. There's around 700 grams and we'll squeeze out some of the water to improve the texture. We'll then use our hands to tear the tofu into rustic chunks. This will help it crisp up when it's cooking. The next step is to add 1/4 cup of corn flour, some salt and some pepper and give that a shake to coat it evenly. Then we'll squirt in some oil and give that one more shake before adding it to the air fryer basket. You can also cook this in the oven on a baking tray. We'll cook it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Subscriber update. We've got 1 piece of diced onion for every subscriber, 737. Thanks everyone. We'll take 1/3 cup or 80 grams of vegan butter or margarine, 1 diced onion, and give that a stir over medium heat. 3 cloves or 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, 3 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon or a cinnamon stick. We'll check on our tofu and give that a shake. Once the onion and spices have cooked for a few minutes, then add in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 3/4 cup of vegetable stock, and a tablespoon of tomato paste. Meanwhile, place a large pot of water over high heat to boil. Stir the mixture occasionally while simmering for 10 minutes. Once the water is boiling, you can add in the rice. Stir occasionally. This recipe needs 1 cup of oat cream. If you don't have access to oat cream, you can use 1 teaspoon of corn flour, mix that up with some oat milk, and then pour that in and it'll thicken just like oat cream, plus 1/2 cup of vegan yogurt. I'm using soy yogurt. Stir that in and then bring it to the boil. Once the rice is cooked, you can drain it. After 30 minutes, the tofu will be nice and crispy and you can add that into the boiling butter chicken sauce. Stir to coat the tofu and cook in the boiling mixture for 2 minutes. Now that everything's cooked, it's time to plate up. Have a look at how good our vegan butter chicken looks. Now it's time for the taste test.
So I don't cook vegan butter chicken very often, but every time I do, it's delicious and I love it. And it makes me think, why don't I cook it more often? Delicious. I'll be cooking vegan butter chicken a whole lot more often. Thanks for watching everyone, and see you on the next video. Bye.